Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make the luxury villa exterior design. So this villa has a swimming pool and several floor over there in here, and then we can see about the villa has the outdoor decking with a rooftop and another carport on the bottom of the landscape, and then it has the another rooftop on the top area, and also has a landscape and also the outdoor dining area. And has a planter box on the rooftop in here, and has unique exterior facade in here. Okay, the first step, I choose the rectangle in here. So this is the first step. I choose the rectangle to make the basic shaping of this basic villa. And we don't forget to make the wall in here. We make the wall to be exterior of the villa concept basic, and then it has window in here. So there is several line in here to make the frame of this openings, and also the door in here. So we choose the sliding doors in here with the 4 door leaf in here, with the glazing door leaf in here. And then we don't forget to make the glazing area. So the door it's look like representative enough for the framing and also the glazing of the door. And I move a little bit door leaf to be door leaf sliding door in here. And then for the another aspect, I make the large and wide openings area to maximize the dilating system of this villa design in here. And I choose the basic shape with using rectangle, and also I choose the tab master tool. And then for the corner, I make the curve for the shading or canopy on this basic building itself anyway. Okay, and after that I make the another unique object. I make the unique object with the curve with the wood materials in here. So the materials is curved like this, and I put the another gold color materials in here to make it more elegant and luxurious. Then I think this is just simple. This is just a rectangle villa, and I concern on the exterior. And then this is about the slab design. Okay, I make the L shape villa in here and duplicate about the slab just like this. And I make the rectangle and push to the up to make the 3D solid. And this is about the glazing in here. Okay, this is about the frame of the glazing, and I make the another vertical frame and divide into the 4 part of glazing in here. And this is about the another glazing. I make it glass materials, and it's not cantilever. I put the solid area, I put the solid walls in here, but I consider to make the sloping landscape in here, because the sloping landscape is one of the unique element I know. So it could make it more playful and also representative. And I make the curve on the corner over there to make it more variative and unique design over there. And I make the swimming pool. This is about the swimming pool, and make the curve on every single corner, or almost every single corner over there, and make the border with the concrete materials. And don't forget to put the materials of the water of the swimming pool in here. And I make the boundaries between the several zone of the pool deck and also the landscape, so it would be divided automatically. And then this is about the gutter. This is about the gutter of the swimming pool, because the gutter is technically is important for the water flow of this infinity pool swimming pool concept in here. And this is the part of I make the stairs in here to make the circulation to the rooftop on the side of this building or top of this building in here. And I make the borders in here, and I put the modification about the stair. So the stair we can make the modified stair in here just like this. And then after that I still design, and I still consider how to explore more about the landscape or another building components in here. and I put the sloping area on the side of the stairs, and I make the another something, and I try and make the another something, but it doesn't match. So I make the another variation of this side of the stairs in here, and I push it up about the grid or the stick in here to make it more representative, but it's look like lighter than just concrete in here. Okay, and I make the skylight of this rooftop, of this first rooftop, and I make the another profile of this canopy of the rooftop. It's to make it representative steel surfaces over there in here, and I make the curved railing glass on the rooftop, on the first rooftop in here, and divide about the glazing in here, and I make the another barrier or another railing of this balcony in here, and after that I make the another something. I make extension about the landscape because I think I need more exploration about this landscape, and I make the conceptual. It's just basic anyway. This is just basic conceptual of the stair in here. Okay, and I make the glass. I make the another element of the landscape in here, and make the another element of the bottom of the basic landscape in here over there, and after that I make the planetary placement. I make the planetary or tree placement, and I modified one of the tree to make the small plants in here, and I make the variation variative about the plants in here, and I make the modification about the cantilever of the upper floor in here, and I still learning, I still studying about the how to make the impressive facade in here, and I choose the stone materials of this box cantilever facade in here, and after that I duplicate about the tree, I duplicate about the plan to make it more cornering in here, and so this is about the another variation. I make the border of this curved wall on the front or about the support of this building in here. I make the curve of the corner on the corner in here, and I put the another cantilever, especially on the on this decking in here. I think that it's need more unique about the decking, so it's not usual decking. I make the unique decking of this swimming pool area in here, and I divide into the several parts. Okay, and I put the another component placement to make it more representative, and I consider to make the outdoor carport or outdoor garage to make the placement of the car or vehicle, so it look more representative on the reality in here, and after that I look and I add more meshing of the top of the floor in here, and I try to make the curve, but I think it doesn't match in here, but I think it doesn't match, so I decide to make the another variative element. I decide to make the synchronized elements in here. But I put the tree first in here, and I put the materials of this top of this meshing of this villa design in here, and I make the railing in here to make it more safety, because this is about the rooftop area in here, and I put the plants in here to make it more greenery, and I make the another variation again about this sample of this design. Okay, this is about the result of this villa design in here, and this is about the carport. Okay, this is about the carport view, and but I think I will move up in here to get the valid shadow in here. Okay, this is about the decking, unique decking, and this is about the rooftop area in here, and this is about the top floor area in here, and this is about the variation about the landscape, and this is variation about the vegetation of the landscape itself, and this is about the component placement in here. Okay, and thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.